What is up mga Casterix? Ano ang abs? Ano ang kahalagan ng abs? Ano ang six-pack? O tinatawag nilang pandesal? Pero bago ang lahat ng yan, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell button para updated ka ASAP sa lahat ng content upload. Magsimula na tayo.
All you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something. Yeah. Then all you really need is hope.
Take a look in the mirror. Are you seeing some fear? You hear the voice in your...
Ang abs ay may apat na parte. Ito ay upper, middle, lower, at yung sides. Tinatawag nating obliques at serratus. So yung apat na yan ay mahalaga para sa estabilisasyon ng katawan mo. Para hindi ka ma-injured sa mga movements. Sa running or even throwing. Kumukuha ka ng energy sa pamamagitan ng core mo. To perform a biomechanical movement such as yung mga athletic movements. Ang abs ay hindi lang sign ng bodybuilder. Ito ay isang sign o simbolo ng pagiging isang atleta. So kapag meron kang abs, sigurado hindi ka agad matutumba o mai-injured. And it keeps all organs in place. Siya yung foundation ng katawan mo para maprotektahan yung vital organs mo. Kaya mahalaga na i-workout din ang core natin for overall aesthetic and strength. Dito ang link sa PubMed para makita ninyo ang iba-ibang explanation o related topics regarding core strength or abs, six-pack o tinatawag nilang pandesal. Just click the link below for more information. So magbibigay ako today ng tatlong variation ng core workout na siguradong makakapagpalakas ng core at makakahulma ng forma ng abs ninyo. Let's go! So Casterix, sisimulan natin sa leg raises or knee ups. Wala yung ganito na pwede mag-hang. Pwede nyong gawin yung lying leg raises na lang. Okay? Start. Let's do 20 reps. Control yung eccentric. Concentric, eccentric. Huwag mabilis guys ha. Flex yung muscle.
Well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something.
That's right. Let's go. Yeah. When you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt, you're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out. All that is bad, and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Wake up, it's me. You're gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope.
Okay, tapos na yung lower at mid ab natin from that workout kanina. Second workout, Russian twist para sa obliques and serratus. Okay? So, sa beginners, kahit wala munang weight, importante yung twisting. Okay? Flex dito, and exhale at the same time. Okay? Then flex. Para ma-activate yung buong sides. Okay? Obliques and serratus, guys.
Yeah.
Then all you really need is hope.
Take a look in the mirror. Are you seeing some fear? You hear the voice in your ear. Can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where your feet are when you stand right here and say no? I'm never gonna give up. I'm never gonna...
Ganito yung tsura pag may weight.
To the top, can't stop me. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, molder, never slower. Get to know ya, don't go make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something.
Okay, so far, halos na-hit na natin ang lahat ng parte ng abs, which is upper, mid, lower, and sides. Now, tirahin natin more specifically yung ating serratus o yung pakpak ng angel na tinatawag. Okay? Ito, sakto lang yung weight. Flex sa baba, exhale at the same time. Then inhale sa taas. Okay? 20 each side. So napapansin nyo, even sa Russian twist, ginawa natin kanina, yung twisting, 20 each side. So, 1, 2, 3. Yung counting motion niya for the Russian twist. This one, gonna do 20 for this side and on the other. Start. Other side. Other side. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 3 ab or core workout na makakatulong sa pag-balance nyo at definitely on aesthetic side. So yung tatlong yan ay makakapaghulma ng 6-pack nyo. Do it every day. Guaranteed. Sana may natutunan kayo sa konteksto natin ngayong araw na to. And if you did, please hit that like button and comment on the comment section below. Subscribe for those who haven't yet. Hit the notification bell button to get updated ASAP. Thank you for watching Aesthetics 777.